Luar Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jala uba Hek Ulaong baka jingjob haka jingye penbetput hapadeng Kesorkar Meghalaya bat Kesorkar Assam ladai banai kublai yaki arngot ki menteri rangba kata yo menteri rangba ke Jala Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma bat yo menteri rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma haka jingye keran bat kilat patai kubor uba Hek Ulaong baka jing anglu jong ki pajba kalong ban penkod no si junom ya ka jing ya ka japut da ka jingkot jingmut jong menteri rangba ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam kanang bakan penmento yikipat ba ki basyong basa ha kisnong kaput.
That mutual understanding, you have to congratulate both the Chief Minister of the state if it is benefiting to the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Simple. We want to stop, not only minimize. We want to make a permanent solution on this. Expedited from long back. But now they should come to solutions for all those problems which has been happening for the last many years. From the level of the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam, they are into expediting from beginning only. But we should come to put to the stop now. It should come to a permanent solution for this issue.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.